Hi, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Emily. So as you can see by the title, today I am attempting to cut a wolf/shag cut on my hair. I'm going to be following Brad Mondry's tutorial and also Paul Watts' tutorial. I'm kind of taking bits and pieces from both tutorials and mixing them together, mainly because I saw a few people saying that Brad's didn't give them super short layers, and because I usually wear my hair up in like a half up ponytail hairstyle, I need a lot of short layers up the top so that the ponytail is like really perky and pretty, whereas I think Paul Watts' one does that a bit more. I don't know, I'm not a hairdresser, I'm really bad with this sort of stuff. I have been procrastinating this for like the last 3 weeks. I've had like multiple panic attacks about it for the past 2 days. I am not, also my reflection is really bad at the moment. I'm not one of those people that can just like do this at like 2 a.m. and just be like, yeah, I'm gonna cut my hair and live my best life. I'm not that kind of person. So if this video does actually make it onto my channel, then you know that I survived. I didn't have a huge mental breakdown, which is awesome. I can't go to a hairdresser at the moment, so I'm really hoping this works. The tutorial looks super easy, so fingers crossed. Also, yes, I'm actually wearing the only white t-shirt I own because I tried to give my ends a trim yesterday and I was wearing my usual black t-shirts and it was so hard to see my dark hair against my t-shirt. So I'm wearing this one. It says just be kind, which is relevant, but yeah, it's weird seeing me wearing something other than black. So I've got the tutorial up on my laptop just so I can make sure I definitely don't miss any steps. But yeah, I'm gonna try. I might just have to time lapse this. I'm gonna see if you can see me in the mirror. I don't really have anywhere like good to place the camera. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna start sectioning. Okay, I think I got one section done. Oh my god, I'm like shaking, I'm so nervous. It's also really hot in here. Okay, so these are the 2 sections I have going on. I've got one up here, which is kind of hard to see, and then one at the front. I saw in the comments of the tutorials to make sure that you work on your sections, so I tried to make them as clean as possible. I've also got a cut on my finger somehow. And now I have to cut and I'm so nervous because this is so much longer than I thought it was going to be. And he cuts so much off. I think I'm going to start with a couple of inches and then do the same on the other one. Oh, I'm so scared. If Brad or Paul somehow ever sees this, I'm sorry. I promise I'm trying my hardest. I am watching the tutorials, I promise.
Those are going to soften all of this up for us.
Oh, also I forgot to mention, I did straighten my hair. This isn't naturally how my hair sits. I thought it would be easier doing this rather than wetting it. Oh, also I'm not pulling it all the way onto my forehead just because I don't want the heavy like bangs that Paul got in his. I want to cut my own curtain bangs afterwards, so I don't want like the really heavy choppy layers in the front. So that's why I have it a little bit in the back, just so you know. But now it's time to cut. And I literally feel sick. Paul uses the thinning shears to cut it, so I'm gonna try doing that rather than point cutting it. Okay, pulling it forward. Oh! Oh, I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Oh my god. Oh, this is not satisfying. It's getting in my mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I made the first cut. Ah. Oh my god, that cuts so much hair off. I'm panicking. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. Oh god, that's always famous last words. Okay, now for the big ponytail. it's time to take it out. Oh, I don't want to do this. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can see the layers. Mind you, my hair is very dirty and very sweaty right now, but after I shower, like, I can feel the short layers. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna cry. Look how nice that looks. Oh my god. Right, okay. Oh my god, there's so much hair.
So we're going to do our middle part like I just did, and we're just going to section this front section out.
Okay, so now I'm switching over to Brad's tutorial to finish the front framing pieces. Also, I might need to go sit in front of the aircon in a minute because it's so hot in here. Okay, putting down the middle. Oh my gosh, already you can see like the layering. That is so sick. I hope I'm doing this right. I have no idea, dude. Okay, I think this side is good. Oh my god, I look like a hot mess. I'm in love with an emo girl. Okay, so now we're doing the munching, as Brad likes to call it. Okay, I'm gonna take like this much, so it's like a triangle. Okay, I'm gonna quickly clean up all of this hair on the ground.
Building your online business?
Oh my gosh, YouTube. Okay, this is such a weird angle, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna try and do my curtain bangs. I'm sitting down because my back is killing me. So I need to make like a big triangle. So I need to part it down the middle. I'm hoping I can just memorize how to do this so the next time I don't have to keep checking the tutorial every 5 minutes. How far back do I want them? Maybe like, I want them pretty thick, so that seems like a lot. It's actually not that bad. And I want them quite short as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was way too short. But I always say I want them short, so I just poked myself in the eye. Okay, I desperately need to go and have a shower, wash my hair, and then I'll be back. Once it's dry, I'm going to perfect it a little bit, but at the moment I'm just so covered in hair, I'm getting really overwhelmed. So I will be back when I'm done in the shower.
2 days later.
Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. This is the first time I've styled my new haircut and I am obsessed. I feel like next time I could go a lot shorter with the layers, but I was way too scared to cut too much because I just didn't know what I was doing. But now that I feel a lot more confident with the scissors and everything, I feel like I could definitely go a little bit shorter. My shortest layers are about like here, I think. I think that's like my shortest one. They get shorter towards my face and then longer towards the back. I feel like they're blended really nicely. I could still probably go in and thin the layers out a little bit, but I'd probably do that when it's closer to washing my hair to get all the extra hairs out and everything. I also feel like I'll get a better result when I eventually get a curling iron. I've been curling my hair with a hair straightener and I just feel like my hair straightener doesn't get like hot enough to really set the curl. So when I get a curling iron, I feel like it'll get a much better result. I feel like the sections I'll be able to grab will be a lot smaller and just easier to maintain. But I am really happy with it. My bangs I did cut way too short, but the main reason I don't like long curtain bangs on me is because my fringe grows super fast. So this will grow out within like a week, maybe 2 weeks. So I'm not super worried about it. They just sort of sit to the side anyway. And then I've just been wearing a headband like at night to just get them out of my face. So I would definitely continue to do this haircut, especially when I can get the longer curtain bangs. I feel like it'll look a lot nicer. I will still probably wear my hair in like a half up ponytail hairstyle, just because especially in summer I don't like having all this thick heavy hair on my head. So I feel like even with it styled up it'll look really cute with the like perky ponytail because of the layers, and I feel like it'll just stop weighing down like the bottom section of my hair. But for the purpose of this video I just thought I'd show you with it out. I used some new styling products and I feel like it's just looking really nice. I'm not used to being able to get this much volume, and yeah, I just love it. I'm obsessed. So let me know what you thought of this video in the comments down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've noticed a lot of my viewers aren't actually subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love having you guys here. I've done so much talking today, I'm getting really tongue-tied. Also make sure you hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time in another video. Bye!